In this video, what I'm going to do today is I'm going to install a fence that runs around this garden. If you have a little garden like I do here, and then I've got a little dog that likes to get in it and play, that's why there's a big flat spot right here. I have found the perfect solution for this, and check this out, everybody. What I have here is a fence setup, which is the perfect little setup. So let me show you exactly how this works. The installation, there's no tools required with this. It's basically these little fences right here and a little hardware pack right here that kind of mounts them, snaps them all together. The thing you might need is a hammer to kind of hammer them down in the ground. So let me go ahead and open these up and lay them out and then go around this garden, and I'm going to show y'all exactly how well this works. There's 10 pieces of this outdoor fence, and I just went ahead and opened the little hardware pack up so I could access these. I did need a pair of scissors to cut these zip ties, and I got me a rubber mallet so I could hammer them down. So let me go ahead and set these things up and show you what it looks like when they're set up. So let's do that. All right, there it is, everybody. I went ahead and run them. There is concrete right here, so I couldn't butt it up there because there's a slab under there. So that's as far as you can see where I put the bricks there. And then all I've done, I actually did not even need the little connector things because it goes so deep into this like soft soil here. I just left like a 1-finger gap between each one, and it seemed to work perfect. But then I ran into a problem that I have a downspout tube coming out here, so I can't really do anything about that, and that's why I have this light shining down through there. Kind of blocks that area anyway, and you could see how these things run, how I just ran them all the way around, going through here and went around there. Was able to use all 10 of them, and that looks awesome. I really like the looks of that. This is great for anyone with a small garden, or they just want to kind of like box in something very tiny. And you could actually buy several sets of these and get like 40 or 50 of them and have you a whole set. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's the little outdoor fence. See you guys in the next video. Woo!